We are chef sisters from Lviv, founders of Lviv Vegan Kitchen, serving free vegan meals for refugees. And today we're going to cook borscht, which is Ukrainian traditional dish which originally has vegan option. And also it's still extremely popular in Ukraine.
For cooking our recipe of borscht, we will need potatoes, carrots, onions, of course beetroots, a bit of sugar, salt, vegetable stock, ground coriander, sour cabbage, or if sour cabbage is not available, then regular white cabbage and a little bit of lemon or vinegar, bay leaf, sunflower oil, and for serving, oat or soy cream or sour cream, and a bit of garlic.
Yeah, we decided to use gloves not to paint our fingers.
Because beetroot is rich in color and it's gonna be difficult to remove from skin and nails. So we are peeling everything.
And actually that is crucial in cooking borscht, that you're doing the best you can to save the color of the beetroot. And this is why we need these sour things like sour cabbage, lemon or vinegar.
Or tomato
as
well.
Yeah.
But tomato is less traditional than sour cabbage because it's local in Ukraine, but for only a couple of last centuries. Our recipe is like a bit lighter because we don't use beans in our recipe, so it's
you can just add
vegetables,
add canned beans, and that's it.
Yeah, and usually we eat it with how to say пиріжки in English?
Or like small breads,
like small buns with filling inside, like potato or cabbage.
While Oksana's finishing with vegetables, I'm gonna boil potatoes. And it's gonna be cooked much quicker. We're gonna boil the potatoes and then just add all of vegetables here. And then if you want, you might add beans as well, canned beans or boiled ones, as you wish. I think while Oksana's finishing this, I can start frying onions and carrots. Yeah. I'll do it this way.
Borscht has to contain beetroot, but not necessarily. You can make it green, you can make it with beetroot leaves. You can do pretty much whatever.
if Ukrainians say it is borscht, it is borscht.
Yeah.
And our dad is always saying that borscht has to be sour, sour, and sweet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah. I'm doing 5, 6.
There's really a lot of recipes and they are so different, and every family has their secret ingredients and different ways of serving. Some serve with cream or sour cream, or with fried onions or garlic or fresh herbs. So really you can do pretty much whatever.
And there's a Russian trying to steal our borscht, saying that borscht is Russian. Don't listen to them, it is not.
Yeah,
it is Ukrainian.
You can cook and eat your borscht whatever you like, just don't call it Russian and you're fine. I'm done.
Yay!
Yay! So we should wait for onions and carrots
to be almost done. Yeah,
almost done. Okay.
You just have to make the onions slightly golden, not fully cooked. And then carrots are starting to release in the color as well. And then you add a beetroot, cooking a bit until it starts releasing the color as well. And then add in a sour thing, whatever you have, to keep this color, not to evaporate and disappear. We were visiting our grandfather He's living in a rural area, a small village, and actually he's really passionate about cooking as well as our father. So he even knows how to make bread at home, and a really good one. And yeah, he was tasting my first borscht when I cooked it, and he said, "Oh, you're such a good housekeeper in the future. So good." Yeah, I remember it as today. Yeah, it was nice. Like sometimes it's weird when old man is passionate about cooking, because like the old school way they're doing things, like he's a former serviceman, like cooking is not the thing he's supposed to do, I guess. But anyway, he was passionate about cooking. Yeah, and grandma was as well. Yeah. I think it's too much of them. How do you think?
Too much?
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah, I think it's fine. I'm just wondering, why did you cut carrots this way?
I like it. Looks like sun for me.
Oh,
Like I don't like this sticks.
how's it going?
I'm thinking.
Not much going.
I'm thinking more potatoes.
You're always thinking more potatoes. So I can peel one and quickly.
Yeah, let's do that. There's nothing to do anyway while this is not done.
Ah, so just when nothing to do, add more potatoes.
Yep.
I see.
We should cook fries or something. Like, not enough potato recipes for me. I think I'm gonna do 6 here as well on potatoes.
How big of cubes, dice? How to say that?
Like this.
Mm-hmm. Wearing gloves. I can do a thing when wearing gloves. Maybe I can take them off and better dye
Oh, you
my...
can. You can. Why not? I can just put.
I will better take them off
course.
and dye my fingers so they match my hair.
No, I'm just gonna do it this way, like.
Yeah, just like I did yesterday with chickpeas. I might show off a bit. Throw everything.
I think onion is starting to become golden, and we can actually add a beetroot. As you can see, oil is starting to become yellow, from orange to yellow, from the color of the carrots. And now we can add a beetroot. I'll do it by myself, right? I hope I will not dye my hands, but yeah.
I hope I will not die.
Can you hand me a water?
Yeah, sure.
Like what we are doing now, we are keeping an eye on all of this for not to fry vegetables, because when you're frying a beetroot, it's gonna be bitter, and we need it to be soft and sweet. So we add in water during all the process, and yeah, taking an eye all the time for it not to be fried. And now we're gonna cook it this way until beetroot is gonna start releasing the color. And when we see the liquid is being purple, we are adding a sour thing. Let's try potatoes. Before mixing it all together, we're gonna be sure potatoes are cooked properly, because again, adding sour thing will make it cooking for ages. So yeah, I have to be sure it's properly cooked. It is.
It only needs salt.
Like this? Okay. And here we see that beetroot is starting releasing a color, and this is the right moment to add sour cabbage, like this. After adding a sour thing to beetroot, it's gonna I think it's gonna be cooked about 40 minutes because sour and acid doesn't let the vegetables to be cooked really quickly, but that's for purpose of saving color. Yeah, so let's check, is it ready? Oh yeah, that's good. What'd you say?
Is that the time to add sugar?
Oh yeah, we have a teaspoon of sugar here.
So the borscht is, how you said that? Savory,
Sweet
and
sour. Yeah. Yeah, now we can mix it all together and add spices. I better do it this way. Yeah. Help me with spices.
Yeah. There goes bay leaf.
Is it okay to do it this way? I will not hurt anyone.
Ground coriander, not all of it, right?
No, just a sprinkle, yeah.
Is pinch even a word?
I don't know.
It's just something I came up with.
Yeah, that's it.
And vegetable stock. Like
Yeah.
celery, dry onions, dry garlic to make it flavorish.
What did you say about color? How bright is it?
Looks good.
Yeah, I think so. I think parents should be proud of us for saving beetroot color. Yeah, and let it cook for from 5 to 10 minutes altogether for spices not to evaporate but to release the like taste at the same time. And yeah, and that's it, ready to serve. Now it's been cooked for 10 minutes and let's check how it tastes. Tastes so good. Oh, you took too much on your spoon. Just a tiny bit like this. Don't speak. So yeah, can we plate it? Yeah. Can you tell how it is traditionally served, right?
So there's a couple of different ways to serve borscht, but our favorite is with a couple of slices of garlic. Then a bit of freshly grounded black pepper and a teaspoon of sour cream.
And that's it. Traditional Ukrainian vegan borscht.